Hi class, this is Trey Clarkson. I'm going to teach you guys how to start your Arizona Christian Gmail account. So ACU, here you can see mine. ACU should have sent you an email with a temporary password. So you would click that email from the IT department, and then you will go to Gmail, and if you already have a Gmail account, you would just add an account. Click here, see use another account, and you would enter your email, your first last name at arizonachristian.edu. Click next, and then use that temporary password that the IT department emailed to your current email address, and that's how you guys will set up your ACU emails. Thank you.